learn how to trim elements to roofs and shells in Archicad. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to get all our latest updates. Let's get started.
And our tip of the week today is trimming elements to walls and roof. Let's talk about that in a little bit more detail. So, as I just mentioned a second ago, the way that you do connect those walls to a roof or to a shell, and this would be a shell right here, right? And this is our roof, but right here in the slope. So here's our sloped roof. If we select that roof or select the shell, I can then go and the wall as well. I can then go to connect, trim elements to roof shell. This dialog will come up, ask, do you want to use the roof shells from current selection? Trim, and it will automatically trim those to that wall that you've got selected. So if you're working within the 3D environment or 3D window, then what you want to do is select what you want selected within the 3D and then use this process to connect it. If you're trimming intersections within shells, then what you want to do is to again turn on the trimming bodies here, so you can kind of see those. And then you want to basically, which you again go to View, On-Screen View Options, and Trimming Bodies. Then you select both shells from the context menu, and you're going to go Connect. So you're going to select Connect and trim elements to roof shell. And once you've trimmed those, you'll be able to see where it's going to trim these so that it actually trims the body. And oops. And then you'll actually have those trimmed within the shell. So you can see that you no longer have that, and it's actually trimmed as part of that. And that is our tip of the week today. So let's go ahead and get into Archicad.